Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, today we're going to show you how to remove and replace, or just how to remove the bumper cover on Mercedes W163, which will be the M-Class from 1998 all the way until 2005. So stay with us, guys, to see how we're going to do that. It should be about the same procedure for the after the facelift, after 2002 model. There might be some little minor changes here and there, but this one will definitely work for 98, 99, 2000, 2001 and 2 models. Alright guys, first thing we'll need to do, you need to pry that lid open there, that cover. And on the other side as well, you can just stick the screwdriver, be careful not to scratch it, and pull it out. Now you need to grab the one in the middle and just pull it out, okay, just like that. And what we need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet. And now we need to remove, there is one bolt right here that we'll need to remove. It's pretty simple deal, guys. That Mercedes is really easy to work on. Okay, well, when we dropped in the bumper, but you can always reach it. That's the bolt right there. And we have identical bolts on this side as well. Now you have 2 more right there. You need to take those off. Those are just nuts. Okay, the one in the middle one are nuts. And now what you need to do, you just grab it on the side and you pull it. There is a few holders right here on the side, and you need to grab and pull towards the back. Okay guys, that's how simple it is. The bumper cover comes right off, right there. And as you can see, those are just 2 glides on this side and on the other side as well, and that's only holding the bumper on the side. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.